Hey everyone, welcome to our latest video. If you're having issues with your iPhone's camera or thinking about resetting its settings, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the easiest way to restore your camera settings to default. Let's get started. First, open Settings. Then simply tap on Camera. Right now I'm using an iPhone 14 Pro Max, and these are the default camera settings. Some options may vary depending on your iPhone model, so take a look and adjust your settings accordingly. If you're still not satisfied with your camera performance, I'll show you how to reset your iPhone's camera settings completely. Now, it's important to note that there's no direct option to reset just the camera settings. You'll need to reset all settings on your device. But don't worry, this process won't erase your personal data, photos, or media. Instead, it will reset your home screen layout, Wi-Fi passwords, and customized settings. So to do it, open Settings, then navigate to General. Scroll down, and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset. Then choose Reset All Settings. Enter your passcode and proceed. According to Apple, this will reset all system settings, including network preferences, keyboard dictionary, location services, privacy settings, and Apple Pay cards. However, none of your files, photos, or apps will be deleted. After the reset, you may need to reconnect to Wi-Fi and reconfigure settings like Apple Pay, but everything else will remain intact. And that's it. I hope this guide helped you restore your camera settings. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.